the question on the slip is, it is mentioned in one verse of the Quran that Allah is the Lord of the two east and two west. How can you explain this verse of the Quran scientifically?
The question posed was that the Holy Quran mentions that Allah is the Lord of two east and two west. How can you explain scientifically? What the person is referring to is a verse in the Holy Quran from Surah Rahman, chapter number 55, verse number 17, which says, Rabbul Mashriqani wal Rabbul Maghribani, that Allah is the Lord of two east and two west. In Arabic, we have two types of plural. One is dual plural and one is plural more than two. Here, Rabbul Mashriqani is dual plural, that Allah is the Lord of two east and Lord of two west. Let's see what science has to say about that. And we know that the sun rises from the east and it sets in the west. But science tells us today that the sun rises from the due east only on 2 days, exact east. In the other times, if you notice, the point of rising of the sun keeps on varying. It rises exactly due east only on 2 days, the 2 days of equinox. All the other days, it either rises south or north of east. Similarly, it rises from one extreme of the east in the summer solstice and rises from the other extreme of the east in winter solstice. Similarly, the sun sets in due west only on 2 days, on 2 days of equinox. All the other days, it either sets south or north of due west. It sets in one extreme of west in the summer solstice and sets in the other extreme of west in the winter solstice. So when the Quran says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Lord of two east and two west, it is referring to the two extreme points of east and two extreme points of west. But there's another verse in the Holy Quran, in Surah Marriage, chapter number 70, verse number 40, which says that Allah is the Lord of east and west. It is not dual plural, it is plural more than two. Allah is the Lord of east and the Lord of west. Therefore, Allah is the Lord of all the various points in east. So in short, Allah is the Lord of two extreme points of east, two extreme points of west, and all the points in between in the west, and all the points in between in the east.